Well, welcome back to Shane and Jamie's little homestead. Me and Bubby, we're gonna go try to shoot some sparrows and maybe a rabbit. He's been sick. He's had pneumonia in his right lung, so he's starting to feel a little better. Feeling better?
Mm-hmm.
So we figured we'd bring you guys along with us. All right, let's go. We're gonna walk down here. Where you going? We're gonna walk down here to your shelter. Remember?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna walk down here, check his shelter out, see if it's still up. Going outside and shoot a rabbit. He wants to eat a wild rabbit, so we've been seeing a bunch, haven't we, Bub?
Mm-hmm.
So, all right.
You know we can go hunting on camera.
Yep. This rabbit season still, ain't it?
Yeah. Is it bird season?
Yeah, we won't get rid of these sparrows. We got a bunch of them around here. They're starting to make nests in our underneath our porch and our soffits, and so.
Yeah.
Yeah, Doc, you carries everything up here in the yard. All right, let's go this way, Bub.
And they were worried that.
Yeah. Papa's going.
Fall enough to get me.
No. He wouldn't get you. He might lick you to death.
Oh,
Give you kisses.
I do not like doggy kisses.
I don't like doggy kisses. I don't either.
Unless she needs to poop.
Yeah. Here's our guardian dog, Doc. He thinks he's got to go everywhere with us. Yeah, we've been seeing some armadillos back here too, so that's why I brought my 17. Them things are destroying my pasture. Digging holes in it and everything else.
And our place is still standing.
Do what?
Our place is still standing.
Oh, your shelter's still standing?
Yep.
Good deal. You must have built it good.
And I'm going to be hiding.
Oh, you gonna use that for your hunting blind? This boy, he's gonna be a hunter and a trapper when he gets older. Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. Let's walk over here so we can see a rabbit. So we can see an armadillo.
Armadillo, rabbit, dove.
It ain't dove season.
But we are hunting.
Yeah, we are hunting, ain't we? Whoops, watch your feet. Yeah, his little shelter's still up.
This is a hunting blind. This is mine, the one over there, boy.
Now it's his hunting blind. Yeah, his little fire pit's still up too. All right, keep your eye out on rabbits and sparrows.
I just hunted right here.
Well, them rabbits we might have to try to scare her up. They hide good too.
Mm-hmm. They might blend in with all these geese.
Yep, they do.
So it might be hard for you to shoot one.
Yep.
But it'll be easy it'll be hard for me to hit when some birds fly.
Uh-huh.
You still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
I gotta hold back up, but I do my side
Huh?
What's wrong with yours from my side
Oh. Yeah, Bubby said his dog proof out again last night, but we didn't do no good. I think we're going to take him over to our buddy Jimmy's house, and he's been having raccoon problems, I think. See if Bubby can go there and help him out catching some of them. See anything? All right, let's move on.
Can you go back to my shelter now?
How come?
I want to go hunting.
We are hunting.
I want to be invisible.
You want to be invisible? Yeah. Let's walk over towards this old barn and see if we see a rabbit.
Oh, it does. And his dad.
Yeah.
Hi, Doctor.
I'll tell you ready to shoot it, bud.
I remember last time when we were over here, and then we caught that rabbit when I was trying to get a bug that just came one and then
Yeah.
he had it down. I couldn't get it
Listen.
because
Oh, careful. That's why we don't load the guns until we get a shoot. Let's go this way. Let's go back this way.
that's an easier way.
Now that way's got a lot of briars.
We're on the purple way. I made a new path.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
Right here.
Let's walk this way. We'll look in there so we see a rabbit.
They're right there.
Yeah. Walk up to the grass and be quiet. See if we see one sitting in this brush. There's that over here, bub. We'll walk the edge of the field. But last night we came out here, set this foothold trap by the pond. There was rabbits everywhere, wasn't it, bub?
Yeah. You didn't even know it was rabbit season.
I had to look, make sure. Let's go this way. Let's walk this field. An armadillo might be out here. I don't know where you guys are from. You guys have armadillos, man. They're a nuisance. They dig holes and all kinds of crap. We don't like them, do we, bub? Bub, he got one here, what, a few months back? Over there by the pond, that one armadillo was riding a four-wheeler.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the bird nest I used to shoot, but it fell. Can't see it now.
Yeah.
Since it fell, I almost hit it.
Oh. Are you talking about that squirrel nest?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It wasn't a bird nest. I thought it was because I didn't know squirrels the nest that time.
Yeah. Yeah, Tess, my wife's outdoor cat. She's been back here rabbit hunting too. We seen her last night, didn't we, bub? Ready?
Wait.
Yeah, no can. Oh, you looking in them trees?
Are we going to go back over there now?
Well, let's make a circle. We gotta see if we can see this armadillo up here. Yeah, last night, right out here, there was 3 or 4 rabbits, and Tess, my wife's outdoor cat, was hiding over there by that cedar tree. All right, you see, let's walk up straight ahead a little bit.
Stop!
Because Doc sees it before we do, he'll take off after it, won't he?
He would knock it over.
Yeah, he tries to catch him, but that shell they got.
Remember that time when there was an armadillo behind our four-wheeler, and then we tried to run it over?
Yeah,
That big fat one?
yeah.
I didn't even see it.
No.
I thought I saw it right there.
Yeah, Doc, you know that armadillo comes out. I think he's got a hole in them cedar trees somewhere.
We find it, we might in my backpack and make a hole, and then we might bust it.
Might bust it. Good, huh?
Wait,
Yeah, it's a old armadillo hole.
so that,
Oh, look at this.
There's one right there.
Here's some scat.
Where?
Here. You guys good? See that? There's hair in it. I know what that is. It's old coyote poop. That's what Doc's been raising heck about. Nah, she's busy. She's over there checking for eggs and stuff. Yeah. See, there's holes all in my pasture.
EMS.
I couldn't even put a cow out, or any cows out here. I'd have to plow the field creek. Careful, Bubby. That goes under the ground. Yeah, there's some old ones.
So then this one.
Yeah.
That could be to my egg right there.
Oh, careful. Found another one, didn't you?
I found it.
Yeah, you did. See right here, Bubby? All this dirt's been... Let's see if I can find it. Here, point at it, show the people. It's that dirt.
Where's armadillo?
Yeah, that's from the armadillos out here. Looking for grubs and insects.
So we know where they are now.
Yeah, that's probably that one we've been seeing right at dark.
Yeah, some more.
But he comes out of these cedar trees. Sorry about that. He comes out here. If he sees us or anything, he's smart. He runs back over here. So I think he's got a hole over here somewhere.
And he might go back on the mountain, like we shot when we shoot, and then like we killed him, but we didn't.
Yeah.
And then we walk over there, we don't see him.
Yeah.
Foxes are small.
Know what is?
Fox are small.
Fox? Yeah, foxes are smart. There's one got ran over on the highway, the red one.
Wow, look at that. Oh, it's up
That's from that armadillo.
That's probably his new hole that he's been digging.
No, he uses his nose to move the grass and look for insects, bugs and stuff.
I don't walk back now.
We can't even minute. Let's go check the trap one more time.
Okay. You should one got the pool
Yeah, the battery's dead. I'm going to have to get a new battery.
in your truck.
Yeah. So here's some more old armadillo holes. Watch out, buddy.
That's a new pathway. Probably the armadillos like being low. But sometimes when I come over, I get on the porch and I see him walking, and then he sits right there.
What does?
The armadillos.
The armadillos. So here's some more holes.
Watch
Watch out, Bubby. There's some more holes in the grass.
Over there.
Yeah. I don't like them armadillos. We used to not have none up here in Oklahoma. Well, we've had a few, but
Yeah, what about that There's a foxes in Grove. We saw one.
Foxes and Grove where you live at in town?
We saw one. I told him to run it over.
Yeah. I see some every once in a while when I go to work, go to Grove, eating that free food in town.
I think we might talk one. But I see shit might be a fox.
Oh, yeah?
Well, how many different you did it because a possum will be able to fight from this.
Yeah.
I wish I won my pistol.
Oh, your BB gun pistol?
Yeah. I'll be able to, yeah, but like this one is easier to shoot.
Yeah.
I'm checking first.
Okay.
I got the
Yeah, we set this foothold trap out last night with dog food. Man, them coyotes, some armadillos everywhere out here. But when you have a gun or anything, you don't ever see them. And no, I haven't got my pond dug out yet. Yeah. But yeah, here's his trap he set last night. Still got dog food? Yeah, still got dog food in it.
Are they supposed to lean over?
Yeah, you can stick them straight or lean over. I like leaning them over. It makes it easier for them to stick their hands in.
Like that.
Yeah.
Then they will accidentally step in it.
Yep. But yeah, there's holes over here in our pond bank for armadillos too.
Wait, how about we show them our secret trail camera that we set?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. I need to get that down.
Yeah. Made.
Yeah. Careful.
Sardine.
Sardine lids. Probably from where you set your trap here last time. Hey, here's my old trail cam. I need to get that down. But yeah, let's walk this way. There's some more holes.
I want to look inside of there.
Watch that sawbriar.
I see that.
Okay.
Right there, that pink stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, I almost stabbed him. I want to walk through here. But that was another one.
Yeah.
Probably I'm gonna do like walk through this path, and then they get right here, and then in the little holes.
Yeah.
When Doc tried the one, probably just setting it here for trying to get some. Since we got more bugs.
Thought I heard some. I bet Doc's over there in the neighbors. All right, let me get in front of you, bud. But watch out.
Wait, left.
Baby had to take a pee break.
Yeah, probably was facing the other way, leaning at Doc.
Alright.
I'm living in my spot. You live in your spot.
Oh, we're gonna hunker down, see if we see anything.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know how. I think we might hit for an hour. Probably an hour.
We did see an owl last night. We was driving up here, set that trap, big old hoot owl flew out behind them trees and went down through there. Him and that little Red Ryder BB gun. So I guess we're gonna go down there, sit in this shelter and use it for a blind. We had a rooster out of the woods. Okay. Bubby, he found him a hiding spot for hunting. So I guess I'll find me a place to sit down.
There's something about hiding right there. Like, I was like, I don't know how to put this.
Okay, we're hiding out behind the shelter. Bubby's gonna see if he can get him a sparrow or something. Are you seeing anything, Bubby?
No.
No? Any other time there'd be a crap load of sparrows, huh?
Mm-hmm.
There's Bubby's shelter right there. Oh, this is part of her shelter, he said. Oh, I hear a bird.
gosh, I did hide a right over there. I think I did hide a right over there.
Mm-hmm.
And you hide a right next or behind me. I'm gonna hide right here.
Okay.
I might want to sew twice, like one there and.
Okay. If there's any action, I'll bring you guys back. Okay, Bubby, he's gonna shoot that brush ball out to see if he scares anything out. Well, you hit the brush ball, didn't you?
I thought I saw a rabbit move a little.
Oh, you thought you seen a rabbit move a little bit?
Yeah.
Could have. What kind of call is that, Bubby?
A coyote call.
Do it again. Oh, like mice?
Yeah.
Oh. Who needs a coyote call when you got Bubby around? Come on, Bub.
Want to make me a pillow?
Alright, well, we've been sitting here for a while. We haven't seen that. Bubby thought he seen a rabbit earlier. So I think we're going to end this video. You want to say anything, Bub?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. We'll catch you guys in the next one.